Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. We have here an investor's dream, or a large family dwelling, you choose. Come home to this tastefully designed and beautiful two-story home, in the quiet and family-oriented community of Phoenix Park, minutes away from the town of Savanna, Lamar, and close to hospitals, churches, schools. The property boasts 9 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms which can be converted to a single dwelling. Don't miss out on this opportunity to rent to professionals, or make this your dream home. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $60 million or US $389,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.